Hit.
Food up, Airfan, food up.
Off-round yan.
Then mount up.
Ayun, noon to.
Wait, nasa na yun sila?
Uy, ayan.
We're going northwest, ha? Northwest tayo pupunta.
What the fuck, kakaumpisa pa lang, black screen na.
Tapon mo na yung cellphone mo, pre. Hindi ko bago.
Go northwest. Then northeast. Pupunta tayo sa middle. Southeast. Pa-scout ako. Dismount if you see me. Then spread now. Spread muna kayo.
Go on your southeast. Go on your east.
Spread muna kayo. Spread lang sa southwest. Marami pang space dito sa west, oh. Hindi nyo tinitig dito. Spread sa southwest. Hayaan nyo lang sumilip yung mga death tanks natin. Hayaan nyo lang
They're
sumilip.
going small stairs, ah. Pat.
Hayaan nyo. Sige, paakitin nyo. Go southwest. Paakitin nyo muna. Paakitin nyo lang muna. Go southwest muna kayo. Southwest tayo. Go southwest. Everyone look northeast. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito sa club. Hanapin nyo club. Now, sustain. Brawl them out. Mag-Judy kayo. I-brawl nyo sila. Habulin nyo dito sa pinaka-southeast. Mag-brawl kayo. Habulin nyo. Meron pa ba tayo sa club? Habulin nyo lang. Go southeast. Run them over. Sige, go run them over. Sige, patayin nyo na yung mga mamamatay, oh. Patayin yung mga mamamatay. Pa-hold. Nice hold.
Every game.
Okay, everyone now, go northwest. Balik tayo northwest. Heal, go northwest. Stream.
Backline mo, Pat, pahit.
Go northwest. Sige, northwest. Patay tayo. Go northwest. Bro nyo to, naiiwan sa kanila. Hello, bro nyo to. Naiiwan sa kanila, oh. Wala na yan. Sige, Q's and W's on the beach. Sige, Q's and W's. Patayin nyo na, wala nang boots. Okay, go northwest. Pa-stream ako kung sino makaka-stream.
Nox, ano ba gusto mo? Sabay ko yung engage ko sa'yo or second?
I-call ko na lang sa'yo yung ano. Kakall ko na lang yung...
Scouting ako, wait lang.
Let's go southwest. Okay, dyan. Go southwest muna kayo. Southwest tayo. Give them space, boys. Give them space.
Gago, loading.
Ayos.
They're dismounted on the ping, ah. They're still dismounted on the ping.
Oh, nasa gitna sila.
They're going northwest, Toby.
Loading just.
Going
They're going
northwest.
northwest. Yeah.
Okay, everyone, punta tayo sa
One
akin. Let's go northwest. Try natin mag-fight.
Actually, no, they're going back southeast. They're going back southeast.
We're gonna take the first ano dito. Baba kayo sa big stairs. Bumaba tayo sa big stairs. But don't clump.
They're going down the southeast. Stairs na pa.
Take yung space. Position properly. Death tanks ko. Harap kayo. Okay.
Nanaligod na.
Hold. Now, defensive. Fake engage, Ben. Okay, fake engage. Wala silang defensive. We are looking southeast. Ito na lang yung nasa pinakarap. We're gonna engage 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yung nasarap. Patayin nyo nasarap. Now, walk in. Brawl them out, boys. Judy sa stairs. Brawl them out. Healers, heal. Keep on healing. Now, go northeast. Go up the stairs. Kung kailangan nyo mag-gigantify resi, go up the stairs. Sige, patayin nyo mana huli. Sige, patayin nyo. Okay, meron pa tayong engage in 1. Meron pa tayong engage in 3. Everyone look north. We're gonna engage 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito sa mga nahuli. Nice RB. Now go southeast. Help the team. Go southeast now. Hayaan nyo na yung naiiwan. Go southeast. Southeast. Hayaan nyo na. Go southeast. Let's go southeast.
Jesse, palit ka ng W5.
Wala akong ano po.
Wala siyang breeze.
Q3 na lang. Palit ka.
Okay. Everyone, let's go ano. Middle.
They're walking to the middle. To their...
Hayaan nyo lang sila
Okay na yan.
Hold na lang tayo dito. Wala tayong
They're
gagawin.
walking southeast para.
Tapos dapat nagpamang i-W yung...
Wait, they're holding ulit. They're going northwest now.
Punta tayo dito sa middle. Now magta-try tayo mag-brawl. Magbo-brawl tayo. Hayaan natin sila muna mag-engage, ha.
W4 yata yan.
Sino kalaban niya, pre?
God eaters.
Mounted up sila going northwest na.
Wala pa siyang ano.
They're on to me.
Everyone go northeast. Northeast from me. Come northeast. Go northeast. Give them space.
Going to you. Gagi, pwede
Everyone, mag-engage tayo in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito sa club, dito sa club, dito sa club. Patayin nyo. Now everyone, brawl lang. Brawl them out. Meron tayo dito sa northwest ha. Def tanks look northwest. Patingin ako ng northwest. Tingnan nyo yung mga northwest na yan. Meron ka pang engage, Shuki? Wala pang engage yan. Sige.
Wala.
Everyone, we're gonna brawl them. Maki-merge kayo sa kanila mag-brawl pero no clumping. Night helmets na, defensive. Judy. Nice enigmatic. Now, brawl them out. Go northwest. Big balls tayo, big balls. Patayin niyo yung mga yan. Nagbabak sila. We're gonna engage it. 5, 4, 3, 2, putang ina, wala. Ayun. Doon kay Chucky. Nice. Putang nang wall ako din. Sige. Go southwest lang. Sige, brawl them up. Help niyo yung mga naiiwan sa likod. Okay, everyone go southwest. Southeast na kayo. Iwan nyo na yung mga yan. Go to the middle. Iwan nyo na yung mga yan, guys. Iwan nyo na. Go to the middle. Everyone, dito tayo pupwesto sa stairs ha. Dito tayo pupwesto sa stairs. Baba kayo na stairs. Take the space. Sige lang. Take the space lang. Huwag nyo habulin yan. Pass cut.
Stop
Sige, wait. Mountain up ako. Tang inang
Go to the middle. Let's go to the middle. Tang ina na bedrock ako dun eh.
Nakita mo ba yung bedrock na nakalagay?
CD yung night helmet ko, hayop.
They're dismounted on their home base.
Sige lang. Everyone go southwest na to. Hug the wall.
They're walking northwest, I think. Oh no, nahuli ako.
Nahuli siya. Everyone walk in. Baba kayo na stairs.
Nahuli
Nahuli
nila. Oo, na-dismount ako. Dismounted ako.
Dismounted.
Pero, di ako makahabol nito.
Everyone, sige.
Yeah,
Walk northwest. Now, let's walk northeast. Everyone, night helmets, we're gonna engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa club. Go sa club. Brawl na yung naiiwan. Brawl. Mag-drop kayo ng Duskweaver dito sa putang inang napakanipis na to. Drop kayo Duskweaver. Brawl nyo yun nandyan. Mag-drop kayo ng Duskweaver kung meron kayong Duskweaver. Pero ayan, papakipatay itong dalawang nauhuli oh. Yung mga dalawang nauhuli muna ito. Itong mga nauhuli. Kill nyo nauhuli. Meron tayong engage in 8 seconds. Sustain lang guys. Sustain lang tayo. 3 seconds. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, sa engage sa clump. Nice one. Everyone go northwest now. Go northwest. Everyone go northwest. Grabbing Judy ako sa choke. Go northwest. Pahelp ako ng mga naiiwan. Sige, go northwest lang. Go northwest. Sige, go northwest. Down. Hello. Go northwest. Hindi ba? Northwest. Pag go northwest na, tapos wala na kinikitang reds, matik na yun na magbabak na tayo. Kaya ako nagpapaiwan doon. Hinihintay ko yung party kung mag-northwest. Kasi pwede pa tayo mag-look kung sakali. Everyone, go to the middle.
pa ba ito gago?
Let's go to the middle again. Give them space.
They're walking ulit sa behind the park.
Sige lang, go to the middle. Sige, go to the middle. Go to the middle.
Pag 200-0, 1 MB bigyan ni Bendy.
Diyan. They're still walking southwest, guys.
Give them space. Sino yung kwan doon? Sino na AFK?
Si Rush.
Na AFK sa Rush. Ayan yun lang. Sige. Take space. Go southeast. Def tanks. Go def. Go southeast lang kayo. Hayaan nyo lang sila. Go southeast lang muna kayo. May naka-SOB na sa kanila. Go southeast lang kayo. Ayan, sige. Brawl them out. Everyone, nag-engage sila. Nag-engage na sila. Everyone, look northwest. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito sa club. Sa stairs. Everyone, Judy. This is spots. Gigantify. Help the team. Now, let's brawl. Go northwest and brawl. Find the crown, go northwest and brawl. Mag-brawl kayo. I-brawl nyo yan. Yung mga naiiwan, humapol kayo. Sige, yung mga naiwan, humapol kayo. Go northwest. Nice night helmet. Go northwest. Brawl niyan. Everyone, sige, brawl niya lang. May mga nahuli pa dyan, ha? Sige, brawl lang. Wala pa tayong engage. Everyone, look northeast. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito sa tatlo. Dropan niyo yan. Now, look southwest. Paki-brawl tong southwest. Resist spots, Judy or resist spots or Judy. Now, brawl them out. Just brawl them. Brawl lang tayo ng brawl. Yung mga healers ko, humabol kayo. Keep up yung mga nahuhuli. I-brawl nyo lang yan na i-brawl. Dropping ako ng Judy dito. Ayan. Brawl nyo lang. Kill, execute yung mga kwan. Meron pa tayong engage in 2. Everyone look southwest. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito sa clamp. Hanapin nyo yung clamp. Brawl nyo yung naiiwan. Wala na yan. Brawl nyo na yung naiiwan. Yung mga masyadong malayo, huwag nyo na habulin. Now everyone, go middle. Punta muna tayo middle.
Lagi talaga si Constance. Oh.
Yan naman trash talk yan, chaos yan.
May random tayo din.
Yan, chaos yan.
Sabihin ko na lang. Sabihin nyo, di nyo kilala si Constance.
Yan, na-invite ng party yan.
Checking ulit Outing ako.
Let's reflect the state of that.
They're holding the...
Go southwest. Ayan yung sinasabihin. Go southwest.
Uy, ako, oh no. Doon na sila ka-desperate. Sa sobrang desperate, hinahabol na rin ako.
Guys, magtiwala kayo sa team. Kung nakita nyo yung choke, tapos medyo dikit-dikit kayo, tandaan nyo may mga night helmets tayo. Pwede tayo mag-night helmets na mag-night helmets. Magtiwala ka lang kayo sa team nyo. Kasi meron nyo yung panababrawl na, everyone move kayo na, baba kayo ng choke. I-brawl nyo yung naiiwan dyan. Di mo sinabi, sige. Everyone look northeast from me. We're gonna engage at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito na lang sa Sagi Balls. Kay Sagi Balls. Drop kay Sagi Balls. Now, defensive and brawl. Brawl tayo. Pop your defensives and brawl. Brawl na lang muna tayo. Brawl tayo. Sige lang. Pasustain ako. Mag-walk kayo sa Judy. Pop your defensives and brawl. Brawl lang tayo ng brawl. We're gonna wait for 10 seconds. Brawl ng counting southwest. Brawl and kite southwest. Sige lang, brawl lang. Oh, fuck. Meron tayong engage. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huge clap.
Ang surok mo dun, gago. Ay, sorry. May naririnig akong all me. May naririnig.
Nice one, Brad.
Pinaka-vlog. Oh, me.